Hello everyone, John Tabor from Brown & Brown Dealer Services. What would you say if I told you that I have a word that is so powerful that it will instantly get your customers' attention in a positive way? This one word will also help you to build credibility and trust, and as a matter of fact, research has found that in a sales environment, it's the most powerful word in the English language. Yet, most F&I managers hardly ever use it in their interview process or menu presentation. By the way, it's not the word free. Have you guessed it? That's right, it's the customer's name. Dale Carnegie said a person's name is to him or her the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Using someone's name gets their attention immediately. It makes the person hearing their name feel respected and important. It focuses them on you and even causes them to listen more actively. Research has also found that when using a person's name while asking a reasonable request of that person greatly increases the chances of them complying with your request. An example might be, instead of "which option works best for you," try "which option works best for you, Bob." Using a person's name can be a negative when used too often, so be careful. It's most effective at the beginning of an interaction, when you're trying to get someone's attention or getting them to refocus when concluding a conversation. So if a person's name is so powerful and it can be so beneficial, why don't we use it more often when interacting with customers? Here's the reason. First, you have to know their name to use it. Second, you have to remember it once you've learned it. So here's a couple of tips you can use to remember names. Meet and repeat. Once you meet someone, use their name immediately. "Hi John, nice to meet you." Or ask a question with their name at the end. "Nice to meet you. Is this your first Honda, John?" Association. Many experts suggest creating an image or connection with the person's name. For example, you meet someone, Jim from New Jersey, Jim from Jersey, or Tom who works in IT, Tom Tech. Try to make a connection and it'll help you remember. You get the idea. You really want to know the person? Having the mindset that you really want to know about a person beginning with their name makes a huge difference. When someone says, "I'm terrible at names," what they could really be saying is, "I really don't care enough to remember people's names." You have to care. Remember, remembering names is just like learning anything worthwhile. It takes effort, and by making the effort, you can be more effective as an F&I manager, as well as build credibility and trust with customers and coworkers. So next time you're in front of a customer, just tell them what they want to hear, their name, and that's your tip of the week.